So we're going to go ahead and talk about the Kindergarten Prep Spring Challenge for you today. This page discusses the targeted learning skills that your child will learn throughout the game. So if you're interested in knowing the math, reading, or other skills, you can go ahead and read through that. The next step is looking through the actual setup of the box. As you can see at the top, we're going to go ahead and set our 4 locks to the right combination, and then we'll work through our directions on the steps below. The first lock is the black lock. We need to set that to combination 476. The red lock needs to be set to combination 128. The letter lock needs to be set to BHCNL. And the 4-digit number lock needs to be set to 5867. Once your locks are all set, we're going to go ahead and walk through the steps below to set up the box. The first step says to place the treasure inside the small treasure box and lock it with a 3-digit black lock. Here is the small treasure box. Inside of that, we're going to go ahead and put a treasure. On this one, we've used one of our reward coupons for a cartoon. My son loves his cartoons, so we'll put that inside and he'll get that if he finishes the box. After that, you're going to close the box and then lock it with the black lock and reset it to 0 across the board. Once you're done with the small box, you're going to place that inside your large box and then set that aside and move on to the next step. The next thing you'll want to do is cut apart tasks 1 through 4. You're also going to want to cut apart your tangram pieces. Once you get everything cut and ready to go, you've got the directions for actually setting up the box next. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fold up task 4 and place it inside your lockable bag. So we'll get the lockable bag. Then you're going to want to close that with the hasp. Once your hasp is ready, it says to lock that with your letter lock. And I'm going to reset the letter locks all to match. So that one's ready. You're going to use the 4-digit lock. Reset those all to 0. And your 3-digit lock. Reset the red lock to 0. And now you're going to place the bag inside your box. And with that inside the box, you're going to place tasks 1, 2, and 3. Once your box is closed, the last thing you're going to want to do is lock the box. So we're going to lock that with our remaining key lock. You want to go ahead and hide the key so that once your child finishes the key task tangram puzzle, they can get the key from you and they're off and running. Have fun. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next box.